Yeah, back in this little Ken Self-Made Entertainment. We got some shit we working on today. That Money on Me, featuring me and Moolah Mike. My boy Big J gonna be engineering this today, man. Got my boy Maintain in the building, Fun Sway. You know what I'm saying? Self-Made Entertainment. We gonna show y'all how we do it. Usually when we come in, we put the beat on, we listen to it, find what we vibing to, how we feeling that day. You know, put our music down. Then we'll record. Most of the time, Moolah Mike here, engineer, put some beats together for us. You know, then we might have different producers come through. Today we're gonna have my boy Big J doing it for us though. You know, we come, whoever go first, we go lay ours, do our ad-libs, stack our verses or whatever. We go on about, you know, get it mixed down and go on.